Right back at it. I went to the store, got me some mounting bolts and washers to replace the OEM ones because there's no way I was gonna put those toothpicks back on. So you can see, yeah, I was lucky that they weren't as rotted and snapped on me, or else it would have been a nightmare. I also got some washers and wire brush to clean up in there. Clean the threads all up and under there. Just in case you guys were wondering if you wanted to replace your bolts, I was looking around for OEM bolts, but either you gotta buy them with the bushings or kind of just guess and buy the ones that are online. They might be it, they might not. I just went to my local hardware store and found some replacement ones that would work out. That these work fine. Just with the new ones, I got a washer because this one has a built-in washer, but that's about it. Same, pretty much the same height and everything, so they'll work just fine. I test threaded them in. I put one all the way in and it went fine. Fits perfect. So you shouldn't have any problems if you were to replace your bushings and your bushing bolts look like that. So, yep.